filing bankruptcy for taxes here in Massachusetts. Good afternoon, my name is Neil Burns. Along with my partner, Roshan Jain, we represent victims of motor vehicle accidents, personal injury, legal malpractice, and we also represent people who are debtors who need to file bankruptcy and get a fresh start. It's a wonderful law, and in Massachusetts it works really well with the state exemptions, with the federal exemptions, depending upon your case. But I've been asked today to talk about taxes, and we're not tax experts, we're not tax lawyers here. We frequently get people who file for bankruptcy and we put their taxes on requesting a discharge. We usually tell them that we're not 100% sure that it'll work because there's so many requirements. It's the federal government and federal taxes, state government and state taxes. The general law is 2 years if you file on time, and you have to file on time and do extensions work, and is there an exemption to that? So I'm not going to get into complicated tax law here, but I will say this. We put them on, and sometimes they're discharged, sometimes they're not. We can tell you what the law is. We can't tell you how the feds will interpret the law in your case. You may say you filed on time, they didn't record it. We can't fight that. We can't. There may be a tax lawyer out there that can. So we're just going to tell you we're bankruptcy lawyers that file for personal bankruptcy, mostly for consumer debt, which could include credit cards, which can include an automobile that you need to return, which could include personal loans, a failed business which was in your name, or the debts are essentially are in your name. We're very good at doing that. We've been doing that for many, many years, 40 years here in Massachusetts. And if you have a tax problem, we may send you to a tax lawyer. We've worked with many tax lawyers. We may send you to someone who only deals with taxes and bankruptcy. But if you have a question and your basic thrust of your bankruptcy is consumer debt, give us a call. It's a free initial consultation. Sometimes we get referrals from a tax lawyers who say, Neil, here's the paperwork. Everything was filed on time. These taxes should be discharged. And we go with it, and it works. But we're not going to tell you that we're tax lawyers. Again, personal bankruptcy, great law here in Massachusetts. Give us a call for a free initial consultation. We want to help you. We'll try to help you. And mostly you need to know the law is a great law. It really will help you. It helps so many people in Massachusetts, across the country. It's a wonderful way to get a fresh start. Call 617-227-7423. Thank you.